was 6 days ago that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was granted interim bail by the Supreme Court for the purposes of campaigning. And now the ruling is generating fresh controversy. In the strongest statement on the matter so far, Home Minister Amit Shah has said that he does not see the Supreme Court's decision as a routine or regular judgment. He further emphasized that many in the country also believe that special treatment had been granted to Aam Aadmi Party convener.
अभी तो वो कोई अलग इश्यू में ही फंसे हैं, थोड़ा इनको फ्री हो जाने दीजिए, बाद में देखो क्या होता है।
पर वो जिस इशू में फंसे हैं वो राज्यसभा की मेंबर हैं स्वाति जी।
देखिए, मैं इस पर टिप्पणी करना नहीं चाहता। अगर कोई पुलिस को कंप्लेन करता है तो पुलिस उसका संज्ञान देगी, मगर मैं इतना ही कहता हूं कि अभी उनको बेचारे को जिस इश्यू में फंसे इससे निपटारा लाने दीजिए, काहे को ये सब में उलझाती है।
पर वो है ना 20 दिन और बाहर हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि अगर
इश्यू अभी तो चल रहा है ना, देखिए कितना चलता है।
Now, reacting sharply to this comment by Union Home Minister, Aam Aadmi Party has issued a statement saying that the comments are shocking as they tantamount to Home Minister openly challenging the wisdom of the Supreme Court. Issuing a statement, Aam Aadmi Party said that BJP government has a track record of overturning multiple Supreme Court decisions that did not go in their favor in the past as well. They cited examples of appointment of election commissioners and control of Delhi government, etc. Aam Aadmi Party further says that this shows that BJP's real mission is to bulldoze the Constitution of India and establish a dictatorship. While any leader from the party is yet to speak out to media, its INDIA ally Congress has echoed similar sentiments.
अब जब गृह मंत्री सवाल उठा रहे हैं, ये कानून का काम है, कोर्ट का काम है, न्यायालय का काम है। न्यायालय सारी चीज़ों का परीक्षण करता है, परीक्षण करने के बाद कार्यवाही करता है। तो अमित शाह के पक्ष में हो जाए तो सब ठीक है, अमित शाह के पक्ष में नहीं हो तो न्यायालय भी, कानून भी, संविधान भी जनता के हित में नहीं है, ऐसा उनका मानना है।
उन्होंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट की मंशा के ऊपर निशाना साधा है। उन्होंने कहा है कि कई लोग ये कहते हैं कि ये जो केजरीवाल जी को अंतरिम बेल मिली है, ये एक स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट है जुडिशरी का, मतलब कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस की मंशा के ऊपर आपने निशाना साधा है। ये ऐसा आपत्तिजनक बयान है जो मैं समझता हूं कि गृह मंत्री को, इस देश के गृह मंत्री को नहीं देना चाहिए। उस गृह मंत्री को जिसको शायद कानून की धाराएं का ज्यादा मालूम नहीं है।
Now, yet another objection to bail to Arvind Kejriwal was raised by the Enforcement Directorate in the Supreme Court today. The SC was hearing Kejriwal's petition challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. Among the bail conditions imposed by the SC was that Kejriwal should not speak in public about his role in the case, and ED has objected to CM saying that if people vote for him, he will not have to go back to jail. Remember, his bail is only interim till the 1st of June when he's supposed to report back to Tihar jail. Now, ED called it a violation of bail conditions. In this matter, the SC refused to interfere. However, during the hearing, the Apex Court accepted critical analysis of its bail verdict and said, and I quote, "We have not made any exception for anybody. We did say in our order earlier what we felt was justified." My colleague Pragya now joins us over the fresh flashpoints in this case. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Pragya, has almost repeated what the arguments of the ASG had been in the court, and also BJP's Vinay Sehasrabudhe had said the day the bail was given that this is setting a wrong precedent. But Aam Aadmi Party clearly is saying that this goes as contempt of Supreme Court.
Well, Priya, we can look at it both ways, but because BJP is involved in it and there's election time, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has been given bail for the campaign purpose only. BJP is saying that he too has flouted rules and conditions of his interim bail order, and that is why they are also saying that it is he who is in contempt of Supreme Court order, because at one of the election rally, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had gone on to say that if you vote for Jhadu, it will ensure that I'll remain out of jail. jail. That will also have a bearing on the case, because then Mr. Kejriwal is implying that if Aam Aadmi Party comes to power, that means that there will be pressure on the judiciary as well. This is what BJP is interpreting the message that has been given by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal on the election rally, and that is probably why the Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah has gone on to say that it is for Supreme Court to interpret the law and also to see whether its law has been used or misused. This is the context in which Mr. Amit Shah has made the statement, and BJP is very clearly saying that, you know, this is tantamount. There is a general feeling in public that the bail given to Mr. Kejriwal tantamounts to a special privilege that has been given to him. It has been treated as a special case, irrespective of the technicalities of the case, irrespective of what the Supreme Court has said. Amit Shah was speaking about, Mr. Home Minister was speaking about the general feeling within the public, because no other leader had been given bail like this for the election campaign only. But bail has been given. Now Mr. Kejriwal is out attacking the Home Minister, attacking the BJP, attacking all the NDA allies. But he is also seeking bail to ensure, as he himself said, to ensure that he remains out of the jail. He has to go, the interim bail is till June 1st only, and after that BJP is saying that he has to return to the jail. But Kejriwal is ensuring that he gets good numbers so that there will be a leverage that he can use against his order, his bail sentence, his jail sentence. This is exactly what BJP is saying, and they also say that this tantamounts to the contempt of Supreme Court.
Stay on with me, Pragya, because Congress leader Rashid Alvi is now joining us on the broadcast. Sir, what do you have to say about Amit Shah's statement that it doesn't look like a routine ruling when the court gives interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal for the purposes of campaigning?
It is what he has said. I have heard Amit Shah ji has said it is a special treatment. It is contempt of court. Definitely, how can Amit Shah ji say it is a special treatment to Kejriwal? He doesn't have any respect for the Supreme Court. He is Home Minister of this country. How can he speak like this? His statement is very objectionable.
Sir, but okay, I'm told I've completely run out of time. Thank you.
अब जब गृह मंत्री सवाल उठा रहे हैं, ये कानून का काम है, कोर्ट का काम है, न्यायालय का काम है। न्यायालय सारी चीज़ों का परीक्षण करता है, परीक्षण करने के बाद कार्यवाही करता है। तो अमित शाह के पक्ष में हो जाए तो सब ठीक है, अमित शाह के पक्ष में नहीं हो तो न्यायालय भी, कानून भी, संविधान भी जनता के हित में नहीं है, ऐसा उनका मानना है।
उन्होंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट की मंशा के ऊपर निशाना साधा है। उन्होंने कहा है कि कई लोग ये कहते हैं कि ये जो केजरीवाल जी को अंतरिम बेल मिली है, ये एक स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट है जुडिशरी का, मतलब कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस की मंशा के ऊपर आपने निशाना साधा है। ये ऐसा आपत्तिजनक बयान है जो मैं समझता हूं कि गृह मंत्री को, इस देश के गृह मंत्री को नहीं देना चाहिए। उस गृह मंत्री को जिसको शायद कानून की धाराएं का ज्यादा मालूम नहीं है।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile lad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।